To activate Klarna Pay Now, start by ensuring you have a Klarna account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Klarna account on their website or through their mobile app. Once you have an account, log into your Klarna account dashboard to access the payment options. Next, navigate to the Payment Methods section where you will find the option to activate Klarna Pay Now. Click on this option to begin the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your payment card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your card details, review and agree to the terms and conditions of Klarna Pay Now. This is an important step as it outlines the fees and repayment terms associated with using this payment method. Once you have agreed to the terms, Klarna will verify your card details and activate Pay Now. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that Pay Now has been successfully activated. To use Klarna Pay Now, simply select it as your payment method at checkout when shopping online with participating merchants. You will be redirected to the Klarna website to confirm the payment, and then you will be taken back to the merchant website to complete your purchase. It is essential to note that Klarna Pay Now is a payment method that allows you to pay for your purchases immediately, rather than delaying payment or using a financing option. This means that the full amount of your purchase will be deducted from your payment card when you confirm the payment. Best practices for using Klarna Pay Now include ensuring you have sufficient funds available on your payment card to cover the full amount of your purchase, and keeping your payment card details up to date to avoid any issues with payment processing. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily activate and use Klarna Pay Now to make secure and convenient payments online.